I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Dang, diggity, dang, 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 diggity, dang, 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 diggity, dang, 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 dang.
So hello, today we are going to present the solution for question number 2, intensive practice 4.4. So basically, we all know that y equals to log a base x is the inverse of a to the power of y is equals to x. When y equals to log a base x, then a is raised by the power of y is equals to x. For example, when 4 is equals to log 2 base 16, then 2 is raised by the power of y is equals to 16. For the next law of log, we have law of base change, where we can change the base log using log a base b is equals to log c base b over log c base a. For example, log 2 base 16 equals to log base 16 over log base 2. Don't forget the base. Any log base can be written and evaluated with base 10 or base e. But what is base e? Let us tell you. So base e is known as natural log and written as log e or ln. Okay, so now let's get back to the law. So we can conclude that log 2 base 16 is equals to 4.
September we met.
Nggak tahu sih. Nggak tahu.
Remaining radioactive substance of uranium after 3 years is stability equals to 50 times 2 power of negative 0.0002 t gram, where t is more than or equal to 0. Determine the initial mass of the uranium. The equation given is stability equals to 50 times 2 to the power of negative 0.0002 t, where t is more than or equal to 0, so t is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. The question A, determine the initial mass. And substitute into the equation.
Oh gitu. Baru gue tahu. Thank you.
I need you, baby.
Think positive lah. Hey. Of course, man. Of course.
Now we'll move to question B. Determine the time that is needed for uranium to weigh 8 grams. Given Wt is equals to 8. So we are going to move 2 to the right, and it will be log 2 0.16. We are using this law of logarithm. So we can calculate log 2 in our calculator, so we need to change to log 10. So here we are using this law of logarithm, which is log x y is equal to log z y over log z x. This is method 1 and we have method 2. So this equation, both side, we cannot change them to this form, both form. So we just put log 10 to both of them. And move negative 0.0002t to the front. Log 10 to equals to log 10 0.16 and divide. And when we use our calculator, the answer would be the same as method 1.
Yeah, yeah,